In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about how to add stuff directly inside, or even generate your own templates and edit those directly inside the webflow totally for free. Today what we're doing here is to add a contact form directly into webflow, and the process actually is not going to be that hard. So to get started, usually what we do is to have access directly into my webflow section. When we open the add panel into the webflow designer, when you press A directly inside here, you have the panel here. So click into the plus icon to open the add panel if you don't see this like this. Now here I wanted to scroll to the form section. Here into the form section, you can drag the form block into the actual page. This comes preloaded with the actual name field, the add-in field. So I just scroll and just leave it as it is. And there we go. It will be added, I believe, inside here, the actual webflow here element. And usually going to be just closing this form block. We can see that we have this form block. When I just scroll this, I have the actual form section. For example, we have the name, text field, and email address. In this case, I'm going to just use this like a really easily element. You have the submit button. So let's say, for example, that we can add, or I wanted to add more stuff. So if I wanted to, I can duplicate this specific field. I can duplicate another field of the actual name, and I can put this just below the actual text field so I can add, for example, a new one. So in this case, I have the name. Let's say that I wanted to add last name, right? So I have the new name, and I'm going to go for last name. And I go for the element that says continue. And there we go. The actual footer actually looks really well. If you wanted to go for it and make some changes for the settings, in this case for this specific button, you can click directly inside here, and you can see that we have custom attributes. You can go for the actual form fields. We have 3 specific fields, and you can go for send to where it's going to be sending the actual fields. Some email notifications to the specific webflow form submission, and you can see that it will be appearing directly inside here, the project section. And there you go. The process actually is not that hard. You can configure the form settings, you add the spam protection if needed, and you can style this directly, enable directly inside here. So the last thing is to publish your actual site, open the live page, and submit a real test to make sure this actual element is now being working correctly. So it says preparing to publish, optimizing the HTML, and everything. I believe it actually looks really well. So I want to go directly into my website. I hit for reload, and my website is now being working inside here really well. So let's say, for example, I go for Tech Express videos, and into my email I just add something like this, and I go for submit, and it says please wait. So, continue. I head back, I reload the page, and you can see that my submission is now appearing directly inside here, so everything works correctly. So guys, if you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all of this being said, I can all see you next time.